Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share with you a tooth whitening product that was recommended by my niece and I would like to try it out. It's the Opalescence Go. So if you are interested, then keep on watching.
Engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot.
So I will now be unboxing this. This is, I think, a sampler. And so let's see what's inside. It has a manual and so it has like, it contains 4 sets of trays. By the way, before I use some teeth whitening products, I always brush my teeth, and I have done that. So now let's open this guy up and see. And it has 2 trays. It has a label, U for upper bleaching tray, and the white piece is where the whitening gel is. This one has a letter L. For the lower teeth,
Contemplation over our situation. Open up.
so it says center the tray on the arc. This is the upper. Then gently suck on the tray or swallow. This allows the inner tray to stick to your teeth.
Shutting down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up.
Then remove the green outer tray.
Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Do the same for your lower teeth. Wear for 15 to 20 minutes since this is the 15%. My God. So, it did say brush your teeth after you remove the tray. This is how it looks like. There you go.
Butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up.
So here are my thoughts after using the Opalescence Go 15%. Number 1, it's really simple and easy to use. The instructions are easy to follow. Number 2, the gel actually tastes good. Not like the crest, noticeably white. I didn't like the taste. Number 3, it made my teeth lighter, which I love, and more shiny. And number 4, the price. It ranges from $47 to $70 online, and it's the most expensive strip that I have used so far, but it works. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this product. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped, and I hope you'll check out my other videos here on the screen. Stay safe and have a blessed day. Bye. Our user in the box, this user. Oh, really? And the number 2, it made my teeth. Wait, is this so sad?